Most of y'all know me. I'm Megan, sister of the bride. Ash, you're my best friend, you're my mentor, you're my role model, and you're one of my favorite people in the whole wide world. And I'm very blessed to call you my sister. Cody, she's all yours, so good luck. My only advice to you is to say those 3 special words every single day. You are right.
There are 2 people, your mom and your grandmother, who would absolutely love seeing you today, and they have seen you.
I love you, but I hate you right now.
Hey, I'm not a real big speaker, but welcome to the family. You got a good boy, a good man.
Our friends would call us Little Cody and Big Cody because we're both named Cody. And I hated that, but I gotta admit that it was awesome having Big Cody because I would talk to just about anybody. I mean, if you have him backing you up, why not?
I'm very excited to have you in the family. I love y'all so much, and congratulations.
Cody and I met 4 years ago on a dating app on Bumble. I wasn't really looking for anyone at the time, but once I met him, I just knew that there was something different and special about him and that he would be my forever person. He is extremely patient and kind, and for everybody that knows me, I'm a lot to handle and extremely outgoing. Tomorrow we get married. It's a very surreal feeling to have all of our family and friends here together in one place. Probably never have moments like these again. So I just want to take it all in every moment and enjoy these memories that we're fixing to make tonight and tomorrow.
Funny how the distance makes it feel like you're right here. I never thought I'd be the one to say that I can feel your presence with me though you're not around. I'm carrying you with me anyway. And you say you are not alone in this world. You are not alone.
Ashley, to the person who over the years has become the love of my life, as I sit here and think about how far our relationship has come and what it has blossomed into through everything that we've been through and overcome, is nothing short of a blessing to me. I could sit here and talk on and on about the past, but today's about the future, and the future that I want is seeing your beautiful face every morning. Not really that breath, but that beautiful face. So let's enjoy this day and every day that follows this one. I love you.
You are not alone in this world. You are not alone. You are not alone in this world. You are not alone.
In times like this, it can be more important than ever to honor love and family. So today, let us remember how precious life is and be thankful that Cody and Ashley are creating a new life together.
Ashley, today I take you to be my wife. I join my life with yours. I promise to love, to honor you, to treasure you, and to respect you, to walk with you side by side in joy and sorrow. I vow to be honest, caring, and truthful, to love you as you are, and not as I want you to be, and to grow old by your side.
Cody, today I take you to be my wife. I join my life with yours.
Oh, man.
Oh,
Husband.
well, husband, I guess I didn't change that part.
All right. See how this
There's
is
no
going
more of
already?
those. Okay, I'll start over. Cody, I take you to be my husband. I join my life with yours. I promise to love and to honor you, to treasure you and to respect you, to walk with you side by side in joy and sorrow. I vow to be honest, caring, and truthful, to love you as you are and not as I want you to be, and to grow old by your side as your love and best friend. I give you my hand, my heart, and my love from this day forward.
Cody, do you take Ashley to live together in the union of marriage, to take her as your best friend and partner in life, to honor, cherish, and love her from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and health, for all of your days.
I do.
Ashley, do you take Cody to live together in the union of marriage, to take him as your best friend and partner in life, to honor, cherish, and love him from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, poorer, in sickness and in health, for all of your days?
I do.
I now officially introduce Mr. and Mrs. Cross for the first time.
Heavenly Father, we're so thankful for this time together, Lord. Thank you for bringing Cody into Ashley's life. Thank you for bringing Ashley into Cody's life, Lord.